plastic bag, straws, coffee, capsule, and more. She's proud to showcase her creation, made with passion and talent. Winning or losing, she's honored to share her work and to inspire others to take courage and create. Say, don't let your wings be small. Mulan. She chose her for her strength, courage, and kind heart. Her costume is creative blend of simplicity and innovation, featuring a robe designed like Mushu, her loyal dragon's friend. Crafted by egg, cartoon, brooms, and repurposed materials. It's unique tribute to Mulan, proud to wear the sustainable look. Once again, Muliano. And our grand winners. Let's see, Irina Konya. As a lady octopus, robotics expert, Galen, an eco-warrior within electronics. Her stunning costume is crafted from the recycled materials like plastic, bottles, cardboard, and eco-bags. A masterpiece of upcycled fashion. It's a potion of style. Get enchanted by recycled serene, Lady Octopus. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our top 5 2000